Welcome to the program Improving Thinking Skills the M.M. Patel Way. In this program, we will understand concepts related to thinking skills, measurement of thinking skills using well-defined parameters, methods and techniques of improving thinking skills, and finally, exercises to improve thinking skills. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos. Having discussed two techniques of improving thinking skill, that is mind map and 5W2H questioning, now we come to third technique, fishbone diagram method. Fishbone diagram technique is basically used in the industries. It has been made very popular by quality circle movement. It is basically used to find out causes of a problem. The basic intention is to find out the cause and to eliminate it. Fishbone diagram is also called cause and effect diagram. You see below a diagram which looks like skeleton of a fish. The diagram is being used by the practitioners to identify the root cause of a problem, that is effect. Therefore, it is known as cause and effect diagram also. Similar to the mind map, this tool also provokes your thinking. You start with major causes of a problem and then think of possible sub-causes. The method is useful for analyzing a problem to find out causes and alternative solutions. Let us discuss an example. As already discussed, it can be used to find possible causes of a problem. A fishbone diagram is made indicating possible causes of low productivity in the example. The causes are men, machine, method, money, market, and material. For men, you see culture, skill, motivation, and health as sub-causes. For machine, you see breakdown, complexity, rejection, manual, and old as sub-causes. For method, you see complexity, manual method, and risky as sub-causes. For money, you see loan, interest, and cost as sub-causes. For market, you see competition, instability, seasonal, and regional as sub-causes. And for material, you see weight, quality, availability, and shape as sub-causes. Having identified the possible sub-causes, it becomes very easy to pinpoint the real cause or the root cause. Here is one more example which has been downloaded from internet. It discusses the causes of service problem. Here is one more example which has been downloaded from internet. Here the problem or the effect is poor quality product turnout, and there are 8 causes. You can see the sub-causes for each major cause. Having understood the fundamental, let us have an exercise. Make cause and effect diagram considering the following situation. 3 MBAs were recruited by a company from the same management institute. All 3 had comparable backgrounds. After the period of apprenticeship, the general manager made one of them a project head and assigned the other 2 to assist him. While earlier all 3 were close friends, now the 2 began to treat the project head with a lot of formalities. Guess the causes of this situation. The discussion on improving thinking skills, concept, and techniques will be followed by more than 20 sets of exercises. You will find many exercises where you would like to use fishbone diagram method. I would suggest you to use the technique sincerely and seriously. Then only it will be possible for you to derive the maximum possible benefit. I am not saying you complete all the exercises. The better course will be you develop reasonable expertise and use that expertise in the areas relevant to you. That will give you a very good practical insight. That will also motivate you to use the technique for your benefit. Read the books by following 3 authors: Tony Buzan, Edward De Bono, and Pradeep Khandwala. Visit www.youtube.com and search Maganlal Patel for more videos on improving thinking skills the MM Patel way.